Lizmagic, and today I'm going to be grilling up some spare ribs on the barbecue. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just two simple steps. I'm using Italian dressing. I'm going to put some in the bottom of my dish. Just rub it around. And I find when you use the Italian dressing, you don't have to do anything else or put any other seasoning or spices. You just put it in there, leave it to marinate for a couple hours, a few hours, or even until the next day, whenever you're ready. This is how I do. So I line my spare ribs into my dish and I sprinkle some more of the Italian dressing. You guys can see, and I rub it in there. And then I make another line on top there with the spare ribs. Just line them up like that, guys. Simple, easy, and trust me, if you never try marinating your spare ribs with Italian dressing, try it. Try it, because you'll be pleasantly surprised. There we go again. I just put some more on top. Then just rub it all over and you line it up that way. Keep doing it like that until your spare ribs are completely covered with your Italian dressing, and then you cover it up and you leave it there to marinate. So you just continue the process until you have it all nicely covered, and there we go. Now guys, look at it. It's all covered up with the Italian dressing. And if you read the label of your Italian dressing, you can see all the ingredients in your Italian dressing that make it perfect to marinate your spare ribs. Garlic, bell peppers, olive oil, lemon juice, vinegar, sugar, salt. It's all there. The list goes on. A whole lot of other ingredients, and this is perfect. So you're getting everything in one to marinate your spare ribs. All I'm gonna do is to cover it up and leave it there to marinate. And as I said, if you only have a few hours, a couple hours a day, it doesn't matter. Just leave it like that in your fridge, let it marinate. I'm going to show you guys how I put it on the grill. If you're doing it on the grill, you can add any additional spices you want on top. But this is perfect. You're going to have to try it, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. The spare ribs are ready. They've been marinating for hours. So now I'm going to put them on my grill. And you guys notice they are very thin slices. So it's not going to take much time to grill these spare ribs. I'm going to take you outside to the barbecue grill, which is now warming up, and show you how I do these spare ribs in just a few minutes. Okay, my grill is ready. It's at 400. I started off high. I'm going to turn it down to low. I don't want them to burn. I'm going to put them on the grill. And they won't take more than maybe 5 minutes on each side. See how thin sliced they are? So it won't take much time. Just gonna line them up, keep a close eye, just close my grill and then check in a few minutes. Checking in, and I'm gonna flip them over on the next side. You can see how yum they are. Just flip them over. And as soon as it flips over, just give it a few more minutes. And it'll be ready. Take no time, guys. No time at all. You know, prepping is always important, as I said. Just prep ahead of time so you'll be ready for whatever you're cooking, and that saves you a lot of time prepping. flip this over, and then I'm gonna leave it for a few more minutes. It's ready. Just like that. We'll check in the next time it will be ready. Okay, so I'm checking in. My ribs are finished. Look how nice they look, guys. I'm not adding any spices or sauce onto these ribs because they have been marinating in the Italian dressing, and that has everything. So they're done, and that was fast. Take no time, guys, to do this. There, the spare ribs. Putting it on the grill only take a few minutes. So this is a quick summer meal that you can prepare anytime. Here is the finishing product, guys. Beautiful. And you can see in the plate that I plated up some rice and peas and my ribs, mouth-watering, delicious, and some asparagus. Yum, yum, yum. Quick and fast and easy. Bing, just like magic.